We've been living in a world of flat and frozen lines, where the pages never move and the wisdom's hard to find. From the Gutenberg elegies to the screens we hold so tight, we've been searching for a doorway into a different kind of light. And though we know so much, our sphere of ignorance grows wide.
Oh, we're stepping through the portal, leave the 2D world behind. In a spatial architecture where the soul and syntax intertwine. It's a thinking space we're building in the air and in the mind.
Experimenting to experience, it's how the future unfolds.
Is it a book, a volume, or a sculpture made of gold? Or the knowledge object floating, waiting for a hand to hold? We pinch the text from midair, watch the paragraphs unfold. Walking through the sentences, a story yet untold. We're questioning the silence, we're teasing out the space, moving past the drip and tap of knowledge to a much more fluid place.
Will the words run vertical, horizontal, all around, or dance like stars in flight?
A city of our meanings, glowing in the virtual night. We're still asking why.
As the limit of our knowing meets the endless digital sky, the future of text isn't flat on a page, it's written in space, it remembers its age. Words don't just line up, they gather and stay, forming constellations we walk through each day. You don't scroll for meaning, you step inside.
Letters have depth and ideas collide. Sentences breathe, they curve and expand. Knowledge you touch with an open hand. Not just links on a wire, not just data at speed. This is thought made visible.
A landscape of mind, a network of knowledge.
The future of text is written in space,
Clusters of knowledge, time and place.
not just networks of data passing through, but worlds of meaning. You move into the future of text is around you.
Paragraphs float like rooms with a view. Footnotes whisper from angles you choose. History stacks in layers of light. Past and present sharing the same sight. You remember by walking, you learn by return. Every idea has edges you turn. Metadata hums beneath what you see. Text communicates, context alive, not buried but free.
Knowledge isn't hidden and shows how it's made. Every source leaves a shadow, every thought leaves a trace.
Step closer, this word has weight. This idea bends when you change your state. Zoom out and the pattern appears. Zoom in and the voice is clear. This isn't storage, this isn't a file. It's memory shaped to scale and span.
Mountain to experience the future we're designed to seek out. The future of text is written in space. Ideas with volume, stories with place. Not just networks of data passing through, but living structures we think inside to. A meaning surrounds you, and context is near. The future of text is finally here.
Experimenting to experience is how the future unfolds.